Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick video, I will show you how to add a website shortcut in Google Chrome. So you can open your favorite sites with just one click straight from your desktop or Chrome homepage. So let's get started. So once you open up your web browser, there is this shortcut that normally down here, so that you don't go ahead and keep searching your website that you want to visit or something like that. So you just come and add them here. Here you see I have an example of a web store. I have UTS for movies, GPTINF, and all these shortcuts. So I'll show you how to do that. So let's say, for example, you want to look for a site like, let's say, for example, Skimago. Skimago is a site that holds a database of different journals and books. So you don't want to go ahead and search for these sites many times in your computer or on your laptop. So what you do is you will copy this URL. So you just click there, Control A using your keyboard shortcut, then Control C. Once you copy, open up a new tab. Once a new tab is opened up, come and click on Add. Then here, type in the name of your website, Skimago, that is Skimago. Then copy and paste that URL that you copied, then click Done. So once you click Done, do away with this. Then you can go ahead and click on that website. Then it will take you directly to where you want to find your information in your computer. Just easy like that. And this small trick can save you a lot of time, especially if you visit certain sites on a daily basis. So if this helped you, um, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more simple tech tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.